Have you ever wondered how to give a perfect facial massage? Welcome to this guide, where we'll unlock the secrets of a rejuvenating facial massage, exploring its benefits and the steps involved. So without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process of a rejuvenating facial massage. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need a clean towel, a mild facial cleanser, moisturizer, and a facial oil or cream. Next, create a serene environment. Ensure the room is warm, quiet, and comfortable. Perhaps play some soft music. Now, with everything in place, it's time to begin. Start by cleansing the face with a mild cleanser. This ensures that we're working with a clean canvas, free from makeup or dirt. Then, applying a small amount of facial oil or cream to your fingertips is the next step. Oils like almond, coconut, or jojoba can create a relaxing effect. Now we begin the massage. Start with the neck and shoulders, using circular motions. Gentle pressure is key here. As we move to the face, remember to use upward strokes on the forehead, temples, cheeks, and jawline to prevent sagging. Focusing on acupressure points, such as the temples and the point between the eyebrows, can help induce relaxation. Be extra gentle when massaging the eyes, using circular motions to reduce strain. Transition to massaging the sides of the nose and lips, and finish with the ears. Incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing can enhance the overall experience. With the massage complete, it's time to wind down. After the soothing massage, it's important to keep the skin hydrated. Applying a light moisturizer helps lock in the nourishment and maintain the glow. Don't forget to offer a glass of water for internal hydration too. And there you have it, a perfectly executed, relaxing facial massage. Let's quickly recap the process. Gather your supplies, prepare the environment, cleanse the face, apply oil or cream, and massage from neck to face, focusing on acupressure points. Finish with ears, relaxation techniques, moisturizer, and offer water. Remember, a little practice goes a long way. Happy massaging.